Hello everyone, this is Realization Lion. So what we're going to do in this is we're going to start to understand more deeper into Unity and how to set up before you even start any project. So let's start off. So what need to be set up before you start a project? There's two parts. One is in Unity itself, where you ensure that you use the VS Code as the development tool. The other one will be to set the play mode theme in Unity. In VS Code, why VS Code is being selected, because you can use the code completion. Okay, so this will definitely help you a lot because you don't need to memorize. I mean, nowadays who memorize codes? So this is one of very good tool that you can use. The other thing about VS Code is that there is a lot of library that you can use, and in the VS Code market, okay, there's a C# and a Unity debugger extension that will help you a lot. So now let's move on. Using the Visual Code Studio, okay, to do that you must first go to your Unity project. Okay, once you have the project on, you can go to edit and then set a preference. You can then select in the external editor, you choose Visual Studio Code. So with this, you will start to use Visual Studio Code as the editor for all your script. So you can download Visual Studio Codes in this URL, code.visualstudio.com, and once you have installed, you should be able to see it inside the option in this drop down menu. So to set up the play mode theme, okay, it's the same. You go to edit, preference, then in the preference window you can choose the play mode theme under general. You can choose the color. Why we use play mode theme? Because a lot of time when we do development, we need to test it, and when you are testing it, sometimes you lost track and then you still continue to edit the scene without knowing that you're in the play mode. So using this will definitely highlight very clearly that you are still in the play mode. And if you were to edit anything after you turn off the play mode, whatever you've done on the scene will be discarded. So a lot of time will be wasted a lot. So this is one of the very good thing that you need to do to help you ensure that you do not edit the scene while during the play mode. So look at the current one that I choose. I've choose red color. So for you, you can choose any other color as a theme. For me, why I choose red is because it's very bright, very clear. So in terms of color, it's up to you. The next part will be in Visual Studio Code. You need to enable the code completion to help you with all the code hint. So this can be achieved by downloading this .NET. Okay, so .NET Core SDK is the first thing that you need to download. Okay, the other one is you need to download and install this .NET Framework 4.71 Developer Pack. So both, after you installed it, you should be able to have the code hint or the code completion for your Unity. Okay, the other thing that just now we talked about adding code, the VS Code extension. Okay, in Visual Studio Code, if you can go to the extension icon here, you click on it, that's one way. Alternatively, you can go to view and then you click on extension. Both will allow you to search for new extension. So in the extension marketplace, there's two things you need to look for. One is the C# extension, the other one is the debugger for Unity extension. So this, once you have installed them, it will definitely help you a lot in the whole development framework. Okay, that's it. Okay, so these are the basic of the setting up. So if you like my content, you can click subscribe below for more content. I hope to see you in my next video.